पीएचडी, एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन।
Protein is an essential part of our diet, but many people struggle to meet their protein needs through food alone. In such cases, they consider using protein shakes or other supplements to ensure adequate intake. However, many people observe acne breakouts after starting protein powder. So, have you ever wondered if your protein powder could be the cause of your acne breakouts? Let's see if there's a connection. Many people, especially in Indian households, are skeptical about protein powders. But experts say that they are safe if you pick the right product and use it correctly. So if you go to a market, you will find two kinds of protein powders. Either made from plants such as soybeans, peas, peanuts and rice, or from milk like whey protein, possibly with added sugars, artificial flavors and other ingredients. So why should you use protein powder? See, protein is essential for building muscles, bones, skin and blood. It helps repair and build tissues, which is crucial for growth and recovery from injuries. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research, you should aim for 0.66 to 0.83 grams of protein per kg of body weight daily. Protein also supports muscle repair, immune function, energy, nutrient transport, pH balance, fluid balance, and most important, weight management. But how to use protein powder? So if you look at the brands available in the market, you can blend the protein powder into an instant shake or a smoothie. Mix it with water or milk, sprinkle it into breakfast porridge or overnight oats, or add it to baked goods like bread or muffins. Now, on to the big question. Can protein powder cause acne? While protein is important, some ingredients in protein powders might trigger acne in certain people. Many people have reported breakouts, and experts suggest that added sugars or dairy proteins in the powders could be the culprit. Not everyone will get acne from protein powder. It depends on several factors like skin type, overall health, and genetics. Plant-based protein powders like those from rice, hemp or pea are less likely to cause acne since they don't have hormones or dairy proteins. Moreover, staying hydrated and maintaining good skin care can also help prevent breakouts. If you have a sensitive gut, you might experience acne from protein powder. Starting with small doses of plant-based protein and gradually increasing the amount can help you. It is also important to avoid protein powders with added sugars. So, in a nutshell, protein is a vital macronutrient. If you cannot get enough from food, choose a protein powder that fits your body type. So if you want to avoid acne, go for plant-based powders without added sugar and keep up with good hydration and skincare routines. So, good luck with beautiful and hydrated skin.